Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Lauren Magenta, and today's budget-friendly recipe quite possibly might be the one I am most proud of. Da-da-da-da. Guys, it's a copycat of Starbucks pumpkin cream cold brew. All right, so the recipe all in all is 4 ingredients for the foam plus cold brew or iced coffee, whatever you have on hand. I just brewed this morning here at home. Let's dive into the recipe. So we are about to make the foam. I'm going to use a frother that has a whisk on the inside. So I start, remember this is non-dairy, so this is a 1/2 cup of almond milk. I do a full teaspoon of fresh pumpkin puree and a 1/2 teaspoon of either vanilla paste or vanilla extract. I like to use vanilla paste. It has the seeds in it and adds a ton of flavor. The vanilla extract works well here as well. And then a sprinkle of pumpkin spice mix. And that's to your liking. So I'm gonna put the lid on for a second to start it, and we froth. Okay, so in this style frother, I have it on the heat mode. So it's both heating and frothing the milk. This drink in particular that we're making, we really want to use that foam, which is what will be on top of this when it's all done. Now, when it comes to the coffee portion here, technically the recipe that we're copycatting is cold brew, but iced coffee or cold brew work very similarly in this recipe. So my coffee machine actually has an iced coffee mode. So I made some iced coffee ahead. It is really cold, and now let's make the drink. So we will, first things first, we will pour the iced coffee, in our case, over our ice. And then the pumpkin foam we just made, we're actually gonna spoon it on. That is what helps with the separation between the iced coffee or cold brew and the foam. Look at that foam. That foam is a stiff peak. That is froth. It is so good. It's so good.